Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a subdomain in Hostinger. So let me go on the hostinger.pk, and after that the next step is let me log in. Now let me go in the website section, and after that click here add website. After that, here you can see I have three options. Now I can select the first one, that is WordPress. Next step is here I need to add login details. You can add a strong password and your email. Then click next button. After that, here you can select the website. So let me create a blank site. After that, the next step is I need to add a subdomain name. For example, I want to add my main domain first, this one, and after that here I can add a name, for example 4. Then click next. So guys, here you can see WordPress installation is in progress and it will take a couple of seconds, so let's wait. So guys, now here you can see WordPress is installed. Now how you can access the WordPress dashboard? Here you can see admin panel. Simply click here. And after that, now here you can see it is redirecting into WordPress dashboard. Alright, now we are logged in into our WordPress website. Now if you want to see how website looks on the front side, you can go here, then click visit site. So this is the front interface. So now you can start designing your website. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.